smartphones. We mostly relied on bulky computers and first-generation consoles. We had our few portable devices like Tamagotchi and Nintendo Game Boy. No Dota, no Mobile Legends, no Messenger, no Facebook, no Twitter, no IG. None of the games that we easily pick up today to play with our friends. Good day, my dear friends. My name is Edmund, and today I will introduce to you one of our traditional games, Kadang-kadang sa Bao. Kadang-kadang, which is also known as Tiakad in Tagalog, was first played in Cebu in the year 1969. It is a traditional Filipino game which is played during laro ng lahi or recreational activities. Kadang-kadang, which also means simple play, is an outdoor game that is played using a bamboo still. Primarily, Kadang-kadang is a racing game. Before starting the game, the players should form two parallel lines. Because it is hard for some to play Kadang-kadang with bamboo stills, other people substituted bamboos with coconut shells, and now the game is already called Kadang-kadang sa Bao. And did you know that Kadang-kadang sa Bao is not only for recreational activities? It could also be played during free time when you are with your playmates, friends, and families.
What materials do we need in order for us to start the game Kadang-kadang sa Bao? 2 pairs of coconut stilts are needed. This is made by boring a hole through one of the eyes of a half of the coconut shell. A string about 1 or 2 meters long, depending on the height of the player, is pulled through the hole, and a big sturdy knot is tied at the bottom end inside the shell. The rules and mechanics of the game. The game will be a relay type of race. A maximum of 10 people will represent each team. The game will begin once the facilitators have given the command to do so. The players will have to race back and forth by means of the coconut shell stilts. The player should tap the hand of the next player in line to indicate his or her completion of his or her part. The current player will hand the coconut shell stilts for the next player to use. In case the coconut shell stilts break, a replacement will be provided depending on availability, and the current player has to restart his or her leg of the race.
In the game Kadang-kadang, players will be able to build up their concentration, teamwork, and sportsmanship. Balance in this game is a very important element. If you know how to balance yourself, you will be able to perfectly play this kind of game.
And now, the scoring scheme of the game. Whichever team finishes first wins the game. Are you ready to play Kadang-kadang sa Bao?